Hello, my name's Clinton Kapitke and I am giving a video testimonial for Susan Vu on her therapy and one-on-one coaching services. So I have been working with Susan for a little bit over 12 months now, and we've had multiple sessions together in person and in Zoom. And I just want to share with you the amazing benefits and progress and deep insights that I have been able to find working with Susan. She has an incredible way to make you feel safe, secure. She creates a space that's conducive to healing, a space that you feel you can express your true self and things that perhaps you wouldn't normally be comfortable sharing openly. And with that safety, she makes you feel nurtured, makes you feel supported, and combined with her skill set and her ability to extract from you that you didn't even know you had within yourself is absolutely incredible. And each session that I've had with Susan, we just continue to unravel more and more. We continue to dive deeper and deeper. And I feel like I evolve as a being after each time I spend with Susan. And I just look forward to the next session because we are constantly, I'm constantly upgrading, I'm constantly improving, I'm constantly reaching deeper levels of self-love, deeper levels of self-realization, and I'm just becoming a better human being as a result. So yeah, she's got a unique style that's different to anything I've ever experienced. She pulls from various different therapy modalities, and she really feels into what's best for you and specifically to what you want to work on. So yeah, if you're considering using Susan and potentially engaging with her services, I highly recommend, hand on heart, that you cannot go wrong spending time with Susan, and you will absolutely really get a lot from the sessions. So I think you'll absolutely surprise yourself. She's one of the best therapists I've ever experienced, and I've worked myself with a lot of different therapies and practices, NLP and hypnotherapy and different things like that. So I have experienced and seen a lot of other practitioners, and I can say that Susan is without a doubt one of the best that I've ever seen, experienced, and had the pleasure of working with. So don't hesitate, reach out to her and get started. Thank you.